So what I like about Habibi Fahoudie Adesevia is that it's a good school for learning new languages and different types of math and history, and the teachers teach you good things and true history, and when you get something wrong, they correct you, so you can learn how to do things. Just like in tree class, if you're trying to pronounce a word and you need help doing it, and the teachers are there to help you, so you can get it right. And then soon you might be able to teach a class everything you know about what you learned. And what I learned is I learned new tree proverbs and how to write in tree and how to say new things. And I also learned a new type of math and history. And
what makes Habibi Fahoudie Adesevia special and unique to you?
well, to me, what makes it special and unique is because it's a home school and they have everything they need to make a school, and and it's a good opportunity for children to learn new things and new words and new things in life.
Very good. Why do you think other children should come to Habibi Fahoudie Adesevia to learn?
Well, I think they should come to this school because it's a good, smart school that can make other children smart, and if somebody doesn't know something, then they can help them with it. And there's like this website called Kahoot that helps you learn stuff. You can do math on it and history and everything that you want to learn. And it helps you remember things that you don't remember. Cause like if there's something that you don't really remember from something that you've seen or heard about before, and they're testing you on that on Kahoot, then like if you get it wrong and then you find out the answer, then that's how you can find out the answer and learn to do the right answer next time.
Anything else you want to share about Habibi Fahoudie Adesevia?
Well, and what's fun about it is that we get to go to field trips where we can see different things, like last field trip when we went to the mountains, you can see different types of plants and doing activities here, like I think the word called agriculture. Yeah. And you can learn how to plant things like flowers or trees. And everybody gets a chance to try to do the best they can. And activities are fun, and because you get to learn more things and that you get to learn things that you never knew before, and you can also try to teach others the best you can, and everything you know.
Okay.
You can teach them like the pledge, the words that you learned, and the math, and all the things you learned. And beautifully, I just say that.
មានតែសិក្សា